Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the bottom right and bottom left effect using transition in CapCut PC. So for instance, you are just going to select the images and set for the image duration in 1.0 second. So you can set the image duration in menu and go to settings and then edit and set for the image duration. So I'm just going to set for the image duration 1.0 second. Just click save and try again. Alright, go to transition and select the camera transition, and you can find the bottom right and left. So just add purpose transition bottom right and adjust for the duration in 0.3 second, and for the next transition is bottom left just for the duration 0.3 second, and bottom right again, bottom left, and so on till finish the clip. Alright, so you can see for the final result, and then you can also add the effect. For example, select the shake effect and adjust for the strength and time and the speed and 10 also. Great. You can also add the audio, text, sticker, and anything you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.